Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add PDF to GoDaddy website. First, log into your account. Once in, on the top right, click on your name, then go to your product section. Once in here, select on the website that you want to navigate. Now, on the right side, click on Edit Websites. Once inside the editor, go and scroll down to the part where you want to add your PDF. Then in here, go and click on this Add Section button. Now, from the search bar, go and search for PDF. Then in here, add this PDF viewer to your website. Now, you need to upload your PDF file, so just go and click on this Upload File button. Then in here, go and add your file. Then, select the file from your device and open it. Now, click on Insert button at the bottom, and there you have it. You'll now see your PDF in your GoDaddy website where you can go ahead and access it. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.